Okay, this is the recording for the final project, Milestone 2. So far, we have a basic level set up right here. If I press play, you have a block following. That's a feature in progress. But right now, we have the health UI. We also have the player moving around, of course. And then we have the death features. Basically, everything from the basic game. So, as you can see, I take damage and it plays the sound effect of being hurt. And then it updates the UI, both the text and the actual health bar. Then if I die, it reloads the level. And then if I keep dying 3 times, it'll bring up the game over screen. I can use it to restart, or I could use it to go to the title screen. Okay, then we can go to the title screen, and then we just have a basic title screen. It's nothing too crazy. We also have a how to play, but it's not all the way done just yet. As for the actual stuff, we can go to the blueprints here first. The green ooze itself insta kills. So we have our main menu game mode here just for the main menu. We have the cube that's falling. The gold coin can also be collected like in my past projects. The spikes, they do damage. They damage the other based on its damage other function, which gets a component by the class. The player it holds takes damage from it and just does 1 damage. And then in the actor overlap here, just damage the other, plays the sound 2D, which is the death sound, and it destroys it. And then we have a trigger box for a feature I'm adding. But then we have the health, everything from the basic health. We can take damage, and then it updates the UI, and then it kills the player if the current health is below 0. We have our regular die function, and then we have the update UI based on our health bar and our UI. We also have a heal in here. And then, of course, in our final game instance, this is our actual respawning feature on the player death. It just simply looks at the lives. If the lives are over 0, and it just subtracts it by 1, and then it reloads the level, and then it creates our game over widget as it's a viewport, and then resets the lives if you are below 0 on the lives. And then player health is the exact same as our health component, except this time it just casts it when you die. It casts it to the final game instance, and then it does the own player death. Keep it up with the lives, keeping track of it. And then we have our UI here. We have the main menu here. Main thing that's different is there's an image in the background making the whole screen blue, but everything else is basically the same. Play takes you to the actual main level. How to play takes you to a side screen that have the actual objective of the game, how to play, stuff like that, and then quit, just simply exit out of the project. So far, that is basically it. I have quite a few more things that I want to get done before I have this turned in, but that's basically it for this.